Imagine your living room is no longer just a place where you watch TV. Imagine it is the brain of your entire home. For years, the Apple TV 4K has been the undisputed king of streaming. It is fast, sleek, and stays out of your way. But let's be honest, it has started to feel a bit like a relic from a different era. While your iPhone and Mac are getting smarter with every update, your television has been sitting there, waiting for its turn. That wait is finally over. The year 2026 is set to be the biggest year in the history of home entertainment. We're not just talking about a minor refresh or a slightly better remote. We are talking about a total transformation. Apple is preparing to launch a new Apple TV 4K that shifts the device from a simple media player to a fully realized artificial intelligence hub. This is the leap we have been waiting for. This is the moment this smart TV finally starts to mean something. The heart of this new machine is where the magic begins. Right now, the current Apple TV 4K uses the A15 Bionic chip. It is still a very powerful chip, faster than almost every other streaming stick you can buy. It handles 4K video easily. But the tech world is moving into the age of Apple Intelligence. There is currently a massive gap in the Apple ecosystem. If you have a modern iPhone or a new Mac, you have access to the future of AI. But when you sit down on your couch, you are essentially stepping back in time. Rumors are swirling that the 2026 Apple TV 4K will feature the A17 Pro chip. This is a massive deal because the A17 Pro is the baseline requirement for Apple Intelligence. By putting this chip in a TV box, Apple is sending a clear message. They are ready to conquer the living room. You might wonder why a TV box needs so much power. It isn't just about opening Netflix 2 seconds faster. The A17 Pro changes how the device handles everything behind the scenes. Think about how you use your TV today. You might jump from a movie to a high-end game, and then over to a fitness workout. Sometimes you see a little bit of stutter or lag. With the A17 Pro, that lag vanishes. But the real reason for all this horsepower is Siri. We all know Siri has been lagging behind for a long time. On the Apple TV, Siri can do the basics, like finding a movie title or checking the weather. But it doesn't really know you. In 2026, the new LLM-powered Siri will change the game. It will finally have personal context. It will know who is talking. It will understand what you like and when you like to watch it. You will be able to have a natural conversation with your TV. One of the most exciting features of this new Siri is on-screen awareness. This is a total game changer for a device without a traditional screen of its own. If you're watching a trailer and see an actor you recognize but can't quite name, you can just ask, "Who is that?" Siri will analyze the pixels on the screen, understand the context, and give you the answer instantly. You won't have to reach for your phone to Google the cast list anymore. The TV does the work for you. It removes the barrier between you and your content. This level of integration is only possible because of the raw processing power of that A17 Pro chip. It makes the entire experience feel alive and proactive rather than reactive. This power also extends into the world of the smart home. Most of us already use our Apple TV as a home hub to control lights or check cameras. Currently, it feels a bit manual. You have to open an app or use very specific voice commands. With Apple Intelligence, the TV becomes a proactive partner. Imagine you are watching a high-stakes thriller. Someone rings your doorbell. Today, you might get a small notification. In the 2026 version, the AI identifies your guest using facial recognition. It can show a high-definition overlay of the camera right on your screen. You don't even have to pause. You can just tell your remote to let them in. The AI knows you mean the front door lock. It knows exactly who is there. It executes the command without you having to move a muscle. This is the lifestyle Apple is building for us. For the gamers out there, the A17 Pro is the update you have been dreaming of. Apple has wanted to be a serious gaming contender for years. Apple Arcade is great, but the hardware has lacked the power to run massive AAA titles. The A17 Pro changed that for the iPhone, bringing console-level games like Resident Evil to a handheld device. When you bring that same power to a TV box with better cooling, the Apple TV becomes a legitimate gaming console. It includes hardware-accelerated ray tracing, making light and reflections look incredibly realistic. You could plug in a controller and have a gaming experience that rivals traditional consoles, all from a device the size of a sandwich. This is why people are calling the new model a Pro device. It is a total home entertainment computer. We are also hearing incredible things about the visual and audio experience. The new model is expected to support Dolby Vision 2.0. This isn't just about better colors. It includes a feature called Precision Black. It uses AI to analyze every single frame of a movie. It improves clarity in the darkest scenes without changing what the director intended. It makes the image look like real life. There's also the concept of light sense. Most people don't watch TV in a pitch-black room. You might have lamps on or sunlight hitting the screen. This technology uses sensors to see the light in your room and adjust the HDR mapping in real time. If the room is bright, it boosts the detail so you don't miss anything. If you turn the lights off, it softens the image to protect your eyes. It takes all the guesswork out of calibrating your TV. Connectivity is getting a massive boost too. The rumor mill suggests the inclusion of the N1 networking chip and Wi-Fi 7. This isn't just about speed, it is about reliability. In a home full of smart devices, everyone is fighting for bandwidth. The N1 chip makes connections like AirPlay instant and rock solid. It makes the Apple TV the most reliable brain your house has ever had. It ensures that when you move a game from your iPhone to the big screen, the transition is seamless. If you use your iPhone as a webcam for a FaceTime call on the TV, there will be zero lag. These are the invisible improvements that make the Apple ecosystem so hard to leave. Speaking of FaceTime, let's talk about the built-in camera. This is one of the most debated rumors. Currently, you have to prop your phone up to use FaceTime on your TV. It works, but it feels like a workaround. The 2026 model might feature a built-in camera with center stage. This would turn your living room into a communication hub. You could have family calls while sitting comfortably on the couch. This camera could also be used for Apple Fitness Plus to track your form during workouts. It could tell you if your squats are deep enough or if your posture is correct. It even opens the door for gesture controls, allowing you to pause a movie just by holding up your hand. This is the spatial technology of the Vision Pro coming to your living room. Finally, for the audio enthusiasts, audio pass-through is finally expected to arrive. For years, Apple TV has decoded audio itself, which can be frustrating for people with high-end home theater receivers. Audio pass-through allows the raw sound data to go straight to your speakers. This ensures you get the absolute best sound quality possible, whether it is Dolby Atmos or DTS. It shows that Apple is finally listening to the power users who want a no-compromise experience. My opinion? This is the most significant jump in the history of the Apple TV. It is no longer just a luxury accessory. It is becoming a necessity for a modern home. It bridges the gap between your mobile life and your home life. If you have been waiting to upgrade, 2026 is the year to do it. This device is going to set the tone for the next decade of entertainment. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of the Apple TV, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends who love tech, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest rumors. We will see you in the next one.